Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to fix no sound or audio problems in Windows 11. First, go to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button. Then, click on the Settings icon. If you do not see it, you can search for Settings in the search bar. Once you open the Settings app, go to the left-hand side menu and select System, then click on Sound. In the Sound menu, look under the Output section. Make sure the correct audio device is selected. Sometimes, Windows may select a device you are not using. For example, if your microphone is selected as the output device, you will not hear any sound unless headphones are connected to it. Make sure your speakers, such as Realtek speakers or any other primary audio device, are selected. You can also adjust the volume slider here to check if it makes a difference. If that does not work, close the Settings app and go back to the bottom of your screen. Click on the search icon and type in Device Manager. Open Device Manager and locate the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Expand it and find the audio device you are using. For example, if you are using Realtek USB speakers, right-click on that device. From the menu, select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated drivers. If Windows finds a newer driver, it will install it. If the issue persists, right-click on the audio device again, select Properties, and go to the Driver tab. If the Rollback Driver option is available, click on it. Sometimes, a recent update to your drivers can cause problems, and rolling back to the previous version might solve the issue. If rolling back the driver does not work, or the option is not available, close Device Manager and return to the search bar. Type Get Help and open the Get Help app. In the search box, type No Sound and select the option that appears. The app will ask if you consent to run automated diagnostics. Click Yes to allow it to scan your system and attempt to fix any audio issues. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.